Hello, this is Amber Wood and welcome to my video. Today I have something very exciting. Today's video we are unboxing the Morphe and Nikita Dragun PR box. Now before you get excited and think that I got on the Morphe PR, I did not, unfortunately. But I won a contest! I was on TikTok, scrolling as you do, and came across their post. They were giving away 5 PR boxes. So I entered. As you do. I enter those contests all the time and I never win anything. And not too long after that, I got a direct message from them saying that I won. And then I saw that they actually started following me on TikTok. So that was amazing as well. But today we're going to do an unboxing of the Morphe and Nikita Dragun PR box. Now I have not opened this yet. So I know it's in there because I've seen all the pictures and stuff, but I've never seen it in person, so it's definitely going to be a different experience. Since the palette has such fun colors, I thought we could do some sort of fun New Year's Eve look, even though I'm not going anywhere. Now make sure you guys, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. Now let's get into this box. It's very nice, well contained, just a little slide out box. Ooh, ah, Morphe and Nikita. Ooh, look how pretty. Wow, this is exciting. Oh, it's totally like a trifold, if you will. Trifold, if you will. It's kind of heavy. There's a lot of stuff in there. I'm very excited. I can't believe I won the contest. When I was younger, I don't know if you people remember 104 KRBE with Sam Malone and Maria Todd. What's up, peeps? I used to listen to them all the time, and I used to enter a lot of contests on 104, and I would win stuff all the time. But since then, it's not happened. So I'm pretty excited. There's a little booklet. Looks like it talks about the products. So it looks like we've got a palette, brushes, and then the Dragun Beauty products. We've got some liquid lips, liquid liner, and the face powder. I've always been interested in trying this face powder. It says, this bold brand is all about empowering babes of all shapes, skin tones, and sexualities to unleash that fantasy within. Nikita is hooking you up with her faves from her very own brand. Enjoy, little dragons. The palette, 35 uncensored shades, will definitely help you unleash the dragon. Game-changing neutrals and the boldest of bolds join up with a sultry shimmers and take charge glitters. I love the writing here. You'll have everything you need to take your look to the next level and then some. And the brushes retail for $20. The palette retails for $30. I love Morphe brushes. Okay, so looks like the first thing, we've got the palette and these brushes here. Ooh, cute little box. Okay. It says lift. Let me get the palette out first. Look how pretty that is. Lift. Follow instructions. Ooh, look. Oh, look, there's the liquid lips, liner, and then her powder. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I've never tried her stuff before. Oh, I love a liquid liner. We'll be using that today. Here's the powder. Oh. Ah. So the powder instantly brighten, blur, and lift with one swipe of this transforming brightening powder. So it's like, you know, like color correcting and brightening and that kind of stuff. Blur it. Blur it. So let's get a little brushy brush. Got a little Morphe brush right here. Let's do a little bit of this yeller. Let's get some of this yeller. Put it right up on there. Because we need the brightening up under here for show. I did already put like some face makeup on. Foundation and blush and such. Ooh, it definitely brightens it up. Definitely does that. I love this. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. Let's take a look at the brushes. Ooh, they're pretty. Black and Murple. Murple. Okay, so it looks like they're all eye brushes. We've got a firm packer brush, oval shading, crease blending, blending fluff. I love a blending fluff. Tapered blending, bullet crease, double-ended liner, and spoolie. So here they go. Ooh, so obviously I'm going to be using these for my look today. Let's take a look at the palette. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh, this is so pretty. So I love their palettes. I already have a few. I did not have this one, obviously. Look at this thing in the middle. I don't know what that's doing. What is that about? I've never seen a shade like that. It's got like swirlies in it. What is that going to do? Oh, look at this glitter. Definitely going to use that. Oh, there's like a lime green, hot pink. Oh, what is this? Look at this one too. What is that doing? Can y'all see that? But then up at the top, you got some, some nice neutrals. So this palette can definitely be really useful for every day and for fun. Or just for every day and then for fun. However you want to do it. I'm really interested in the swirly business. I don't know what that's about. Now we've got 3 liquid lipsticks. I love the packaging on these. They're like little crystals. Really pretty. So the colors, oh God, I can't see it. I don't have my glasses. Oh, here we go. Nikita, Bad Bitch, and Dragon Blood. Oh, obviously. So it looks like we've got kind of 2 neutrally pinky colors and then a red. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. We'll have to see what goes best with our look. Probably one of the neutral ones is my guess. And then we've got a liquid liner. Dragun Beauty. Looks pretty sharp. I do enjoy a black liquid liner, so I'm happy to see that. Now, I think it's time to just get in to the palette, is what I say. Okay, what am I going to do? Like, I'm kind of feeling like purpley today. I wore a purple shirt, so I kind of want to get into some of the purples. And maybe like purples and blue-ish. There's a really pretty like kind of teal color. Then I can use that lime green. I'm very into green these days. I need like a packer. N1. Which one is the N1? 6. Oh, for God's sake. Packer, that's too little. Ugh. I can't decode all this crap. I'm just going to look at the brushes and see which one I want to use. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to start. Let's do a little tape action so we can get a sharp line going. I mean, does anybody else just keep a tape dispenser on their glam room table? No? Okay. Just checking. I like to take some of the stick out first before I put it on. This is a good look for me. Feel like I want to start with the purple. Like, let's just go in hard. So, this purple one down here, really pretty, called Mama Dragon. Alrighty, so I'm just going to start on the outside. So I think I'm going to do like blue to purple kind of a thing, and then do like the lime green over there. So I'm just going to pack some of this on here first. And then I wanted to do like a something with like some gems. Now over here, it's gonna look patchy because my eye is stupid. I have like a weird little eye patch over there. So it's not the makeup. It's my eye is dumb. Good thing about tape is it does catch a little bit of fallout. Okay, we're gonna go with some of the teal next. It's called Raisin Gan. I have no idea if I'm saying that right, but it's that one in the middle and the bottom. There you go, teal. The colors are gorge, just so everybody knows. I mean, that looks pretty. I feel like I need something on top. Maybe like a pink. Just taking some of the really light pink, which is called, oh, I need to bring my glasses in here, y'all. It looks like Sakura. I don't know. I'm probably butchering it. I'm just using a little bit of that to buff right on the edge. There's a really light colored blue. BB Boy. Every time I say a name of a color, I'm like saying it, posing it as a question because that may or may not be the name. These colors are so pretty. I feel like I need like a darker pink. There's another one that's kind of a light purple. Looks like it's called either ABC or Abs. I don't know. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Ugh, I'm hot. Is anybody else hot? Just me. Ooh, there's some really pretty shimmers. I want to do like a darker color on the cut crease and then put some of the glitter on top. That's what I'm going to do. I'm taking this off though because it's annoying me. My eye is starting to tear. I'm going to take some of that lime green. It's called Shigo. Shigo. We're just going to get a little hit of that with the ring finger right up in that corner, baby. Oh yeah. And then we'll put like a glitter there or something. Brighten that up. Okay, everybody. Now on the bottom lash, a different color. I mean, because there's a lot to choose from. I can't do pink because that makes me look sick. I kind of feel like I should do the teal and then the purple. We're just gonna stick with those same colors. I mean, I'm having like an 80s moment at this time. I mean, that looks cute so far, right? Okay, so I just touched the swirl and it made just like a purple. It looks like it's like blue and purple together. Kind of a little swirly shimmery. I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not ready. I'm just not ready. No, but there's like a white kind of shimmer. I'm gonna put that on top of that green. Brighten that up a little bit. It's called Nick. Okay, let's do the cut crease. Focus, people. Focus and focus. Okay, I just got a little concealer. We're gonna blink that up and then let's just smooth it on out. Nice, nice, nice. Usually I can do one side really good and then the other side is like crap. Well, that wasn't terrible. Okay, so I'm just packing on some of that dark purple right on the edge there. Okay, I need like a flat. Okay, this one will work. I'm gonna start with one called Mystique. It's a dark purple shimmer. And then after that, there's one called Game Over. That's like almost black looking. Or maybe I should just use the black one. I don't know. I'm gonna use the black one. Let's just do that. It's kind of a black purpley shimmer. I'm gonna spray a little setting spray on it just to get it to stay there. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to put the glitter on top. That's what we're going to do. A lot of times with makeup, you know, you just want to try stuff and see what works and what doesn't. Definitely got some fallout to take care of. Clean up. I'll too. Ooh, baby. Like I feel like I want that to come across even more. Oh, I'm just dripping stuff all over the place. Okay, we're gonna get into some of that glitter. Let's come on with it, Amber. Matrix. Ooh, good name. So with these pressed glitters, I just put it on my finger. Oh, yeah. Hello. Look at that. So pretty. I mean, that is gorge. Like if I was gonna make a palette, like these would be my colors for show. Definitely got glitter underneath my eye. We're gonna have to clean that up a little bit. But, now trust the process. I know it looks a little cray-cray at the moment, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm not done. Apparently I have a giant finger that goes down below as well. So let's go to the liner. Okay, liquid liner. I'm just gonna do a little on the top here. Can't really see it there anyway. Oh, that's pretty. Now, it is hard to draw on top of glitter. I probably should have done the liner first and then the glitter. But that's okay. It's fine. It's whatevs. I do like this liner. That came out nice. I feel like I might need to just bring this black and the glitter out a little further. Let me do that. I mean, I think the glitter really makes it like New Year's Eve, like disco ball type situation. Okay, I'm loving this so far. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on and lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I added some mascara and some lashes. I also added a little bit of a highlighter. This is a Maybelline Master Chrome holographic. It's the kind of purpley one. What is it called? I don't know, 100, whatever it is. It's the purple one. And so I added that into the inner corner and a little bit up under the brow. I'll probably use a little bit on my face as well here in a minute. But I think it's time to move on. So I'm going to add, I want to do like, I'm going to take some of this hot pink. It's called Nikita. I'm just going to do a little bit of that kind of around here. Just like a little glow of a pink. Let's take some of this light one. We'll go around that. Just kind of blend that out a little bit. I mean, does it look like I just got punched? I don't know. It does look a little bruisey, but it's pretty. I just wanted some kind of color out there, and then I could put my gems. Let's do some gems. These are just kind of like the little self-stick ones. I'm going to do some of these and then put some purple ones too, I think. I mean, I'm just random. Just doing random. I don't know. Is this like a euphoria look? Is that what they call this? I don't know. This is like just from like Hobby Lobby or something. And we'll do some little guys. Little guys. Okay, like some little purple ones rando. No clue where it came from. I think they're self-adhesive as well. Oh, there's some teal. Let's do some teal. I mean, we'll just mix it up. I wish I had somewhere to go. Oh, well. Oh, crikey, I just dropped one. Oh, I think I caught it. This is fun, right? That's what it's all about, having fun. So for the lipstick, I think I'm going to use this pinky nude one because there's a lot of craziness going on up top. Okay, so the dauber is like a triangular shape. Okay. It smells good. It smells good. It's not too perfumey, you know, goes on nicely, especially with my chapped lips. I kind of wish it was just like a little darker. The other one is a little lighter and more like peachy toned. And then we've got the red, which I think that would just be cray cray right now. So I'm not going to use that. But I think it's pretty. What do you guys think? Okay, I added some more blush. I think that helps. I just feel like I need a darker lip, but this one's nice. I do like the lip products. You guys, I'm so excited. I don't know about you, but I don't win contests anymore. So I was stoked when I saw the message from Morphe saying that I won this contest. The palette is beautiful. They did a great job with this collab. I love all the different colors. The shimmers are really pretty. The glitter is super fun. Like, yeah, totally feeling that. Oh, dropping the stuff. I love her products. I'm excited to keep using that. And I want to thank Morphe for choosing me, or whatever happened, how they did their drawing. I don't know, but I won it and I want to thank you. And I mean, if you wanted to add me to your regular PR list, I mean, I'm not going to stop you. I'm not going to say anything. I mean, if it happens, it happens. It's like whatevs. But anyway, yeah. So, I mean, if you wanted to really add me, I'm here. And thanks for following me on TikTok. And if you're not following me on TikTok yet, make sure you get in there. I'll put the link down below. You guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like down below and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I do all kinds of fun videos and fun looks and designs. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.